In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals if it keeps crashing and freezing on your Windows PC. Well, basically, the first thing that you can try here is just go ahead and open your Steam app and go to the Steam icon right here at the top left. Click on it and go to Settings. Alright, now once you're in here, just go ahead and go to the Download section right here and click on Clear Cache. Alright, this one will take some time, so just patiently wait. And once done, just go ahead and go to your library and locate the game. Right-click on it and hit on Properties. Then simply hit on Install Files and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Alright, once it's done verifying, you can now try to launch the game from here and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and go to your search bar and type in System Updates. Alright, once you have it located, just go ahead and click on it. Now, once it loads, just go ahead and click on this button right here which says Check for Updates. And if there are any available updates for you, just go ahead and install those. Once done, restart your computer, launch the game again, and see if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and update your graphics card drivers. Alright, as you can see here, I am using an NVIDIA graphics card, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the NVIDIA app, or once before called the NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Now, if you have an Intel or AMD graphics card, just go ahead and look it up online on how to update your respective drivers. Alright, going back to NVIDIA, I'm going to go ahead and go to the driver section right here and make sure that I have installed the latest drivers. As you can see here, I have already installed it. Now, if you still have the crashing or freezing problem, and you've made sure that you have installed the latest drivers, just go ahead and try to reinstall them. Alright, because the past update might have caused the problem. I know it may take some time, but patiently wait, and once done, just go ahead and restart the computer again. Launch the game and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, just go ahead and open up the game and then lower the game settings. Alright, as we all know, lowering the game settings or graphical settings will prevent it from crashing and freezing. Now, what if lowering the graphical settings in-game won't help? Well, just go ahead and go to your search bar again and type in Graphics. Alright, this one will pop up, Graphics Settings. Just go ahead and click on it, and you're going to want to make sure that Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling is turned on, or the slider is on. Then, in here below it, click on Browse and locate the game's directory. For example, it is usually installed on C:greater than Program Files x80 greater than Steam greater than Steam Apps greater than Common, and you should be able to see Marvel Rivals right here. Just double-click on the folder and locate the games.exe. Alright, if you don't know what the games.exe is, it is like this, which is the application. Now, once you have it located, just go ahead and hit on Add, and the game will show up in the list. So go ahead and click on Options and make sure that it is set to High Performance. Then hit on Save. Once done, click the back icon right here. Alright, now look for Game Mode and click on Game Mode Settings. Make sure that it is turned on, then go to the left panel again and click on Game Bar and make sure that it is turned off. Alright, once done, close this one and launch the game again. Everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, what if that still doesn't work? Well, it's time to contact the game developers for further information and assistance. And that's all. Subscribe, it's free.